Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is an exciting video. I know they're all exciting to me. Whatever. It's exciting, I swear. It is a collaboration with the channel Nerdynomicon. I've been working with Robbie over at Nerdynomicon for a while to bring you guys this collaboration, and I am so excited. I am doing a dark Princess Zelda look from the Legend of Zelda, and he is doing a video on like the dark side of the Legend of Zelda, so it's really exciting. Nerdynomicon is kind of, if you couldn't tell by the channel name, a nerdy channel, as well as they are doing like a 31 vlogs of Halloween, reviewing a bunch of horror movies, and they are basically a celebration of pop culture and highbrow analysis with lowbrow humor. It's really entertaining stuff, and I will have their link below. Make sure to go check them out, especially their video for part of this collaboration. It is already up for you to go view. Now, what I have done is created kind of my own character, because as far as I understand, there is no dark Zelda. There is kind of an opposite of Zelda, Hilda, and she has purple hair. But there is no like dark and evil Princess Zelda that I'm aware of. I could be wrong. You'll have to watch Robbie's video to find out. I'm not good at research because I couldn't find anything on dark Zelda. So I think it's something I thought up in my own mind, but I saw a tiara on Etsy that was like black and red, and I was like, oh my god, that would be so cool. That would be such a cool like dark look, and this is the look I have come up with right here. I did also put a Triforce on my hand with the Triforce of Wisdom kind of glittery and highlighted, you know, because it kind of glows, and I really like how it turned out. Let's just get into the tutorial. So I've already started by filling in my brows with a purple liquid lipstick. I just thought it would be more cohesive that way, especially since I have the purple hair, and since Hilda, Zelda's like counterpart, has purple hair and purple eyebrows, it seemed to fit. And then I just braided the front two sections in front of my ears, just so my ears would stand out. I don't have elf ears to stick on. Probably should have got those, but it's a little late for that now. And I have already primed my eyes. So we are going into the Wizardry and Witchcraft palette by Storybook Cosmetics. It looks like this, and I thought that this was kind of a fitting palette to use for the occasion. You know, magic and fantasy and all of that. So first we are taking Sorceress, this metallic red right here. I'm just using an angled blending brush and wetting it and placing it from the lash line to the crease. Just like that. And we are going to blend this line out. Don't worry, it's not going to be a distinct line like that, but just repeat on the other eye. And honestly, this look and the colors of this look were inspired by the tiara that I got custom made on Etsy. This right here, I will be wearing this later. As far as I understand, there is really no such thing as a dark Zelda, but Robbie over at Nerdynomicon will definitely be able to tell you more about that. And then we are taking this dark red right here spellbook and just a tapered blending brush and putting that on the outer corner and blending it inward. It's gonna be kind of a simple look, kind of not. See, those colors complement each other so well. Then we are taking a tiny fluffy blending brush and going into Sorceress, not wetting it, and just buffing out the edges, softening everything up. And then I'm going to take a blending brush that's slightly bigger with no product on it and blend out the edges just even more. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the edges. Then I'm going to take a black gel liner. This is the Maybelline Eye Studio black gel liner, and a small liner brush, and line the upper lash line. And wing it out. Then before moving on to the other eye, before the liner has set, go ahead and take this black color. This is Cauldron. Sorry, that cursive is hard to read. And cover a pencil brush with it and smudge over the top and kind of smoke out the wing. Make it nice and soft and blurred. And it's okay if you get messy over the edge because we are going to be cleaning that up again. And for once, I'm going to do my lower lash line before I do my base, just because I'm putting glitter on my lower lash line and I don't want that all over my base. So I'm starting by lining my waterline with a black pencil. This is Perversion by Urban Decay. Then I'm going to be taking some glitter glue and putting it on the back of my hand and dipping a liner brush in it, and starting at the halfway point in my eye, draw another wing with the glitter glue. Then take a black glitter, I am just using one from NYX, and layer it on top of the glitter glue. Then on a pencil brush, take Sorcerer, this metallic red again, and put that on the inner half of the lower lash line, blending it into that glitter wing you just created. And that is pretty much the eyes. I'm gonna go off camera and do my base and lashes, and then we will finish up the face. So I've applied foundation, concealer, cream contour, and lashes, and now we're going to finish my face. And I want to look really hollowed out and really pale. I put on my palest foundation and I cream contoured with a really dark color, and now I'm going to powder contour on top of that and just really deepen up those cheekbones. Keeping it focused on the back half of the cheek. And just to blend it in, I'm just going to take my sponge that I did my foundation with and just go around the edges of it and really soften it up so it's not too harsh, since it is such a contrast to my super pale skin. And then I'm going to add blush. I am taking a red blush. This is Quiver by Urban Decay. And what I'm going to do is focus that back here and slowly bring it forward. Have it most intense at the top of the cheek versus the apple, but still have it be really intense. And then again, I'm going to soften that with my sponge, and that's a really intense dramatic flush, which is what I wanted. Next is highlighter, and I am using Diamond Lily by Wet n Wild. It is legit a silver highlight. It is so pretty. Where's my highlighter brush? And I'm gonna use this also on the inner corner and the brow bone too, but let's first highlight my face. I'm going to highlight my collarbone. I'm going to leave my forehead alone since I'll be wearing a tiara, and just again blend that in with a sponge. And then take a pencil brush and take Diamond Lily or any silver highlight and pop that on the inner corner and the brow bone. Lastly, for the lips, we're doing a red metallic lip, so I am lining with the Get It Statement Lip Liner by Bare Minerals and filling in my lips with Sorcerer by Storybook. then set your face with setting spray. And I forgot to mention, I also drew with a gold liquid lipstick and a gold glitter liner on my hand a Triforce, and just did all the triangles gold, and then filled in the Triforce of Wisdom with gold glitter to make it stand out and glow like on Zelda's hand. Because even if I was Dark and Evil Zelda, wouldn't I still have that? Probably, right? And that's the look. And that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. And don't forget to check out Nerdynomicon's video on the Legend of Zelda. It's really cool and I know you'll love it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.